Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hello, beautiful ladies and handsome gentlemen of the universe. So, mag-iikot-ikot muna kami dito sa Manila since 2 a.m. pa yung flight namin papuntang Bali. Amay, what are you eating? Plant-based meatballs from IKEA.
Wow. Yummy.
Yummy. How about you, mommy? Baked salmon. And mine is Swedish meatballs. Ayun nga, ladies and gentlemen, pa-fit-fit lang ako dyan, pero shucks, ang mahal-mahal ng mga OOTDs nila, as in... Pabalik na kaming naiya guys kasi mag-11 PM na. And we are back to Naiya. Hindi na talaga kinaya ni Amay yung antok guys. And here's my baon. An essential of every law student from Trabaho. And look at Amay. He is sleeping. Oh my God. At ako, hindi pa ako inaantok. Ako inaantok.
I can be down, but one thing is true. My heart will always be full as long as I'm with you. Yeah, it's been so long, but it feels weird knowing I can never be blue when it's me and you. When it's me
we take a little bit long way. Maybe we have time for a little bit resting. Yeah, on our bus. And I would like to introduce my driver. His name is Komang, Mr. Komang.
Hello, Komang.
Yeah, I introduce myself. Did you name my name?
Lucky.
Lucky. Yes. My original name was a bit long. Yeah, Bapak Madi Sukasta. Yeah. My driver name is Bapak Komang Swartika, but you can call me Pak Luki and Pak Komang. Okay, okay. Mari Ane. Okay, tell me what city you're coming from in Philippines.
From Iloilo City, sir.
Iloilo City.
Iloilo City. North of Philippines or south? Philippines. So long from Manila. Long way from Manila.
Yes.
Okay,
A 1 hour
welcome
flight
family
away
Ayuchito
from
to Bali. Okay, next family will be family Magno Sialamari. Yes, okay. And then Mendes Christina. Yes. And then Tayun and Rian Christian. Okay, tell me what city coming from? Ilo City.
white material. Then we drawing the design with pencil. After drawing color, wax. This wax. The wax to reflect the color. Gambar color on wax, then we boil it with this wax.
These are the pasalubong centers around the area. Ay na. Welcome to Tegenungan. Tegenungan Waterfall. Tegenungan. I see. Wow. Very historical. Wow, there are a lot of tourists inside. I think I made a mistake of buying a lot of Thank you. Yay. Wow. Okay. This is the photo of
We gathering here, all my group.
So this is the waterfall. I'll try to zoom it. Wow. That's so beautiful. And we're going to have our group photo here.
Family photo.
Solo. Solo or group picture. currently at Tegenungan Falls here in Bali, Indonesia. Oh my God. Never again. 200 steps. Never again.
In the front.
Yes.
Satay. Slowly, eat slowly. After you finish eating, you can go that side for 45 minutes of lunch. Yes, I do my lunch.
Thank you, sir. Carry pa, May?
Okay lang tani po ang salakyan. Sa dalo man, okay lang.
Imo, ito nga KFC, way mo patukinaon sa salakyan. Ikaw ya, mami. Ako ya, parang nahahapo na ako.
Ay po.
Maraming foods.
Ya doon, hindi makaya na eh.
Do you want us to take with you guys?
Sure.
Bali, we have two types of coffee. Yeah, we have Arabica coffee and Robusta coffee. Yeah, like this is the type of Robusta coffee. Because if you want to see the different one from the tree, that you can see from the leaf. Arabica coffee is a small leaf and Robusta coffee is bigger leaf like this. Yeah, so in here, that Arabica and Robusta, we mix together, we call Bali coffee. That's the cocoa fruit. Yeah, we take it, the beet inside, that we are processed to make it cocoa powder and to make it chocolate. This is the luwak. This animal is a night animal. They eat the coffee at the night time and then in the morning come out the food. The poo of this animal that we are collected, we are using for the luwak coffee. Yeah, there is the best coffee in the world and the most expensive one. But during in the caves, they don't eat the coffee, they eat banana and papaya. They ate the coffee in the wild, in the forest. Yeah, here they ate banana and papaya because in here we keep just use for showing the customer. Yeah.
Cute.
Banga mata ya. Liputan dak ya. Kita mungkin pengilahi mo.
Yeah, and how to process, you can see inside.
It's sleeping.
This one, the food how look like. In here we need to wash.
Ang beans din kaon niya, tapos ang beans wala pag pero ang pwede kay beans sa kanya. Beans na nagawa sa dili yan.
Okay, in here we need to wash. We wash by warm water. After we wash, we do remove the shell again. We just take it inside the bin. So if you like to drink this coffee, don't worry about the poo. Yeah, because the bin inside never has contact with the poo. This is very clean. Yeah, this is the cocoa. Chocolate. Yeah, and then this one we have spices. We have ginger, we have turmeric, we have lemongrass. We make it for the tea because in Bali we don't have tea plantation. And how to process the coffee like this. We are roasted the coffee 45 minutes here. After 45 minutes we do pound it there. Yeah, and the last process we need to sifting. So we don't use machine, all we done by hand. No machine, yeah, by manual process. You want to smell the coffee?
Smells
Okay, today we are process the Bali coffee. Bali coffee. Yeah, this one. Bali coffee, yeah, not the luwak coffee. Yeah, luwak coffee is different.
Ah. Wow.
Okay, now let me try the coffee.
Okay. Tumbok kopi. Hello.
Am I doing this right?
Yes. Very good. Sangrai coffee, tumbok coffee.
Coffee is life.
Yeah.
Then I will take pictures.
Are you strong for that?
Yes.
Okay, now take photo.
Yes. This is what I like.
Yeah,
Free
Nata,
coffee.
If you like to buy the powder, you can do it for pasalubu. Okay.
Yes. We'll see. Amo na yun ko free coffee.
Wala po yung sa condition na tabi pero ano
Cantik agriculture coffee. Wow.
Bali cocoa, hot chocolate, ginseng coffee, so lemongrass tea, coconut coffee, ginger tea, so vanilla coffee, roasted latte, this Bali coffee and cocoa, so mangosteen tea, so turmeric tea, so lemon tea. And the last one is our product, avocado coffee.
Bali coffee. Yeah, this is the cocoa. Later also you get the free one. Yeah, I make it 2 shot for you. Ginseng coffee. Yeah, we have lemongrass tea. Coconut coffee. We have ginger tea. We
Heaven.
have vanilla coffee. We have rosella tea or hibiscus tea.
You
like vanilla? I like Bali coffee cocoa. Yeah. Mangosteen tea. Turmeric tea. Yeah. Lemon tea.
Oh my gosh. This is the famous free coffee tasting in Bali.
And we have two options.
Cantik coffee. Free coffee.
Chips from the cassava. Yeah.
How the water splashes over fur coat, and the driver flipped me off like that was my fault. Today
Enjoyed everything.
You enjoy everything, yeah? Okay, enjoy your coffee time.
I love free coffees. This is heaven. Okay, so this is their shop. Wow. 250K to
This one, Bali coffee, cacao, luwak coffee. We have powder and bean. Yeah, powder, beans, and this one ginseng coffee. From the top, the taste is same like in the table, and below is no sugar.
How's the free coffee experience?
Tuyo.
Oh my
Pwede ka
gosh!
pangati.
It's away!
Pwede ka pang amoy, natuyo.
Luwa? Dear! You are so expensive, dear!
Still sleeping.
Ay, sleeping! Ay!
Because they are nocturnal.
Bye-bye!
You have no time to read.
Bye-bye!
Always you have busy.
I'll return next time and we'll buy Luwa coffee.
Okay, thank you for your time.
Yes.
How long you stay in Bali?
5 days.
5 days only?
Yeah.
Very fast.
Yes. But ano, in time we'll make sure to return here because we have work.
it may not be my day, but alright. Let's laugh by taking shortcuts while I wonder, will I ever make the Eiffel Tower? Today may not be my day, but alright. Alright, every day, same old thing, yeah, go ahead. Roll up sleeves, don't hesitate. Take a stand, cause got a feeling I'ma get it right this time. Then here goes another shot, and as usual, right here, all I got. Almost there, but out of touch, me and bird like we're like friends forever.
Langka also.
Nangka magila. Nangka mo magila. Ito niya langka.
So we also call their jackfruit here langka.
I'm the type amongst my own hashtag downfall, jeopardizing waiting on the scout shirt. Today may not be the day, it's alright. Alright, calling nature forces up in sci-fi. Got my fingers crossed to find a perfect rhyme line. Today may not be the day, it's alright. Oh, every day, same old thing, yeah, go ahead.
It will cleanse the aim of the video.
Taking a bath there? Wow. Wow. Amazing.
Roll up sleeves, don't hesitate. take a stand, cause got a feeling I'ma get it right this time. Then here goes another shot, and as usual I give all I got. Almost there, but out of touch, me and burn like wood, like
Like Istanbul, start from that side until that side we have around 25 kilometers. But the spot number 2 and number 3 from that side is cannot use for holy bathing because that is a function for the funeral or when we have cremation ceremony, we have burial of the funeral. Number 1 and number 2 from that side. That's not for holy bathing. Number 2 and number 3. 1, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2 and 3. But the last one okay. And after that, one to that side. It's all the same for our holy bathing, the purification of our body and our mind. Okay. So, you like to go there to touch the water for the sensation of the holy water life. Let's go there to feel the sensation of the holy water. Yeah, just put your hand. You can do like drink the water 3 times and some point here. You can take photo if you want to, yeah.
So they will start from here.
Yes, you can going down there now. Yeah, okay. Okay. So cool.
Hi, Mami. May.
Hello.
and forever. Then here goes another star. As usual, I give all I got. Almost there, but out of touch. We ain't feel like we're like friends forever.
The water is bubbling from the bottom, so this is pure water. We believe the water is from the mountain. And this holy pool is all the time like this. Even we have long rainy season, full rainy season, the water is still clean like that. Even we have long hot season like now, so the volume of water still constant like this. Yeah, this is the holy water we call Tirta Empul. Tirta is meaning of holy water, Empul mean bubbling up. Empul mean bubbling up.
Okay.
Very nice water. Clean.
Thank you. Another batch of coffee.
Let's go for glass photo. Photo in the glass.
Yes.
Photo in the glass. Together.
I see.
Is allowed, but maximum 5%, not more than 5%. I'll take a photo. Yeah, maximum 5%. Use the slipper here. Put out the slipper. Use that slipper. I'll take a photo for the rice paddy skew from here.
So this is the crystal floor, the glass floor. Yes. Hanggang tingin lang tayo kasi nakakatakot.
We give you 1 hour here until you walk down there. Okay, where are we?
Bali.
Bali. Are you enjoy Bali? What is this place name? Aras Harum. Okay. You enjoy this place?
Yes.
So this is where we are going to have our dinner. Diba? Shala-shala, gidya.
Dari natin na pa.
Oo. Dari ma-dinner si Amay. tomorrow.